Hey, babe, you're back?
Yeah, I'm back. So where's Lily? She's sleeping now.
What?
Lily.
Auntie, where is my child? Where is my child?
I don't know, I left her inside the car.
You left my kid. You left my baby in the car.
I left her in the car, but I can't find her.
Just a minute, I'm coming.
Oh, beautiful, Angel. How you doing?
I'm fine.
You look good as always. So, lest I forget, here you go. Everything on your list, as you requested.
Thank you so much. Oh, the lifesaver.
Right?
Right, come in.
All right, baby. What you need? Walk.
Oh,
Lover,
yes, baby.
tell me, how long do you have till you finish this work?
Till this weekend. And I still have to submit it to my MD for approval before I even pitch it to the client on Tuesday.
You are such a hard-working baby. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Wow, you've done a lot.
I have.
Super good. So, I am kind of hungry. Do you have anything to eat in the house?
No, I don't. Except you're going to eat cornflakes.
Cornflakes. Baby. Cornflakes. Tell me, do you intend to continue treating me in this way when we get married?
No.
You know a husband shouldn't be eating such.
Kenny, I have a lot on my plate right now. That's why.
You have a lot. Except me and food. I'm not smiling with you. Why are you laughing at me? What for?
Sorry.
I'm serious.
Okay.
You even gave me a brotherly hug when you came to open the door for me. Why?
Kenny, is this still brotherly love? This.
Okay. But there is just one way to find out.
What movie?
Here. I'm waiting.
I hate you. Let's get out.
I love you too.
I'll have my secretary forward the details to you. Thank you very much. All right.
She's here.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Tosin Abraham.
Oh, yes. I was informed that you're the one who will be taking over on behalf of your company.
That is correct. And I was brought up to speed with your recommendations, and they have been implemented.
Interesting. Let's move on to the seat.
So everything is complete, and the project is perfect, as you can see.
Wow. That was so impressive. And it's totally different from what was presented to me the last time. Did you create all that yourself?
Yes, I did.
I see. She's beautiful and smart. Why the hell did your company not send you to me in the first place?
Well, I had an installation to do in Abuja.
That's understandable. It's a good thing you're here now. I hope you'd be the one to be overseeing the project.
Of course I will, sir.
I'll be looking forward to working with you then.
Same here. So I have to leave. Ouch!
Hey, there you go.
Okay.
See you soon.
Yeah.
These rules of life determine how dynasties will rise and how they will fall.
How's it been? My. It was fine. You look good. Thank you. You too.
Why is this drink not chill?
What kind of stupid question is that? I even gave you drink, you're talking.
Really?
Good evening, Mr. Akin.
Good evening, Tosi. How you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
I hope I'm not disturbing your evening.
No. It's good to hear from you.
You too. I'll be out of town for a week. I have an important business that needs tending to. I'd like you to postpone the installation till I get back. Is that possible?
Sure, sir. But, I mean, if you don't mind, if I may ask, I mean, why?
Oh, nothing serious. I just want to be at the office when you come around.
Oh,
For the installation, I mean.
all right. All right, sir. It's no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll get you a little something.
A gift? Oh, sir, please, you shouldn't bother.
I know, but I want to. I'll see you in a week, okay?
Okay. Good night, sir. Mm-hmm.
Explain yourself.
What?
Who was that?
Oh, the MD of the company that I'm working with.
The MD you said is strict.
Uh-huh.
Tosin, is there something you're not telling me?
Nothing.
Okay. I read. Remember you have a boyfriend.
Come on. The man is married.
I didn't say anything. Please, Turn the volume back on.
Yes, anything.
The movie is not a quiet place.
Whatever.
Are you sure there's no have better things to think about?
Wow. So gorgeous.
Hold on.
Okay.
There you go.
Wow. This is so beautiful.
You think so?
Of course it is.
I'm glad you like it. Honestly, I wasn't thinking of getting you jewelry, but once I saw it, all I could think of was you.
But you know you shouldn't have though.
I wanted to.
Okay. I think I have to go meet my guys now.
All right.
Alright.
I totally understand that. However, I'm inclined to disagree, considering the different factors relating to this project in question, especially the fact that we don't. Come in. Hi, you're here.
Good morning, sir.
Please, call me Akin. Have a seat.
Alright. So I just came to inform you that my team is done with the installation and
Ooh, that's great. That's good news.
thank you so much. So my work here is done.
It would seem so.
Okay, goodbye, Mr. Akin.
Tosi, wait.
Is something wrong?
Is it possible that I get to see you again?
Well, I wish I could say yes, but I don't know how this is going to end well.
I don't think you should worry about the end of a thing when it's just the beginning.
Goodbye, Mr. Akin. Goodbye.
See you again. Hello, Tosi.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Is everything with the software working?
Oh yes, everything is working fine. Thing is, I'm just calling to check up on you because it's been a week I haven't heard your voice.
Akin, you know you can't do that.
I can't do what exactly? Check up on you?
Yes, you can't call me. You can't.
Tosin, I want to see you. I need to see you.
Akin, you don't need to see me. What you need is food. You need water. You need oxygen. That is what you need. You don't need to see me.
If that were true, explain to me why the thoughts of you has kept me from doing anything productive.
Akin, you're not even helping me out here. I need to set boundaries. I'm not strong on my own. You're not helping me out.
Believe me, Tosi, I am trying. I have tried. I went a week without seeing you, without hearing your beautiful voice. But I can't any longer. Okay, you know what? Why don't we see, as friends?
You really think that you and I can be friends? Just friends?
I don't know about that. But all that I know is that I want to see you. I need to see you. To see the smile in your eyes, the happiness in your face, Tosi. I want you. I need you.
Don't call me again. Goodbye.
Baby, your phone is ringing.
Who is it?
Let me check. Mr. Akin? Mr. Akin?
Mr. Akin.
Yeah, it has been ringing. Are you alright?
Yes, babe. Yeah.
Alright, that's okay. Alright, be with you in a jiffy, alright?
Good morning, Ma.
Tosin, what is wrong with your phone?
Nothing.
Nothing. Mr. Akin has been trying to reach you for the past 1 week. Without success.
Is that what he said?
You have to go there. I think there's a problem with the installation.
Mom, if there's a problem with the installation, I suggest we send our guys over there to fix it.
I know. But you're in a better position to fix our relationship with your company. You have to go there now.
Yes, come in. Hey, you're here.
Yes. My director said he seemed to have a problem. Can I know what it is?
Please have a seat first. Well, the truth is that there is no problem. I only said that so I could get you to come.
You can't do that, Akim. You can't.
You weren't picking my calls. And all of a sudden, I couldn't reach you anymore. I didn't know what to do.
Then you could just stop calling.
You know that's not an option for me.
Look at your left hand. That ring, does it mean anything to you?
Yes, it does.
Then what exactly do you want from me?
Tosi, I want you so bad. And you know exactly how I feel. Looking into your eyes right now, I know you feel exactly the same way.
How does this make any sense?
Just because it doesn't make any sense, doesn't make it untrue.
Akim, you're gonna stop. Just stop!
Sweetheart, we've been attracted to each other ever since the first day we met. I don't think that our heart's giving us any choice. Shall we?
Maybe this is a bad idea.
Oh, please, don't do that. It's just dinner.
Just dinner.
Mm-hmm.
This is our third dinner this week.
Who's counting?
I am counting. Akim, this is a dangerous game you're playing.
And who told you I'm playing a game? I just want to spend more time with you. That's all. So, shall we?
Hey, baby. Ooh.
Hey.
Darling, what happened? You left the door open again.
Really?
Yes, you did.
I thought I locked it.
That's the point. You see, I have told you that when you're sure that you've locked the door, check again just to confirm, okay? How are you?
I'm fine. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Was I supposed to? I went to see a friend down your street, and on my way back, I thought to myself, I said, it's gonna be best that I check on my baby girl. And boom, here I am. You see. Besides, I have visited you several times unannounced. Any problem?
No. Well, it's good to see you.
Good to see me.
Mm-hmm.
And you saw me walk in. You're still seated. No hugs, no kisses, nothing.
Kenny! Oh.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's
Are you
alright.
vexed?
Am I vexed? Am I vexed? Let me think. Just one way to find out.
What?
Was that a kiss?
Our lips touched. That's what a kiss is.
Even the kiss Judas, used to betray his master was deeper than this one. And you are my lover. What's going on?
Kenny, I have a lot of things to do. Please.
I see. Okay. I'm leaving. I'm gonna lock your door.
I'm coming. Who's there?
It's me. How are you doing?
Okay, what are you doing here?
Oh, I'm sorry for disturbing you, but when I heard that you were having a fever and there was no food in your house, I just couldn't let you go to bed on an empty stomach. So I brought you this.
Thank you.
Are you okay? I'm sorry. You'll be fine, alright? Yeah. Let me take you to your room.
Thank you so much.
Hey.
Hey. Good morning.
Morning. How you feeling this morning?
So much better.
Good. I'm glad you're feeling much better.
Yeah. I made you something.
Well, you really didn't have to.
I absolutely had to. I mean, you got me dinner last night. It's only fair for me to make breakfast for you.
Thank you. I'm sorry that I slept over. It wasn't part of the plan.
It's okay. I didn't know if you would be liking juice or coffee, so I made tea for you instead.
Well, I'll have whatever you've made.
Okay. All right then. Eat up, shower, and I'll be right back.
Okay.
You had a lot of work. Is that what you're telling me? Work prevented you from calling me.
I was going to call you, but I forgot.
You forgot. Babe, when you started this company, you told me that late night will not be a problem. Right? So what is happening?
Honey, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Listen, babe. I'm so sorry, okay? I slept off and I didn't know my ringer was off.
Babe, you could have been hurt. You could have been robbed or something or killed or I don't know.
Hey, my love. I'm right here, okay? Daddy's back home. I didn't mean to make you worry. I'm so sorry about that.
Don't do that again, babe. Don't. You got me worried.
I promise you it will never ever happen again, okay? I promise.
Okay.
You know Daddy loves you.
I like you too.
Akin, I need you to level with me right now. That girl Tosin, what's that about?
I love her.
That's a very bold first statement. I have never heard you talk like that before.
Really? I don't know what to say. Ever since the first day that I set my eyes on her, I fell in love.
And they say love at first sight is a myth.
I know, right? Truth is, I don't know how to explain it.
How about your wife?
What about my wife?
I mean, don't you love her anymore?
Of course, I love my wife.
And then you love Tosin.
Yes, I do.
Does that even make sense to you? You can't love two people the same way.
Look, I don't love them the same way, okay? What I feel for them is it's different.
Please elaborate.
Okay, I don't know how to say this, but my love for my wife, it stems from friendship. We've known each other for a long time, and we've been through a lot together. We've been married for 4 years, and honestly speaking, I've never felt like there's anything lacking in my life.
All right, let me get something straight here. You mean to tell me that after everything in the past, you didn't feel anything was lacking?
I know what happened in the past. And the truth is, those things didn't happen because there was something lacking in my marriage.
So how did they happen?
It happened because it just happened.
You're playing with fire again.
Fred, look, I don't know how to explain this to you. What I feel for Tosin is different. My love for her stems from some kind of intimacy I've never felt before. I could literally be sitting across her and I'll still feel the urge to come closer to her still. It's like my soul is being drawn to her. I don't know if you understand.
Dude, that is the most confusing thing I have ever heard.
Like I said, I don't know how to explain it. Honestly, I don't.
Akin, how do you think this is going to end?
Babe.
Are you okay? Talk to me.
Nothing.
What is it?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? You just disengaged.
I'm not in the mood. I'm just not in the mood.
Wow. What do you mean you're not in the mood? What's going on? Can you just talk to me?
What's going on? Can you just say something? Same old story. Whenever we say these days, you are always off. You don't want to... What's disconnecting us? Can you talk to me? Have I done something wrong?
Kenny, it's not you, it's me. You just...
Just what? Say it.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Just... Can you, baby, just talk to me? Talk to me. What's going on?
Ken, I think we need to break up.
What? Darling. Why?
It's not you.
Tell me you were joking.
It's not you, Kenny. It's me.
What about you? Is there something you need to tell me?
Kenny, there's certain things I can't explain to you.
Certain things like what? You know you can talk to me, right? You know that.
I can't tell you.
Baby. Tell me what's going on. Can you? Baby.
I can't tell you.
You can't tell me. You know what? Suit yourself. Excuse me.
Is this better? Huh? It's fine. Or should I go for this? It's fine. What about this? It's fine. fine is unacceptable. I've been crushing on this guy for forever. Be a good friend and help me wow him. Okay. That's it. I can't take this anymore. What is it with you?
What is what?
This has got to be the 4th or 5th time you've sighed. What is wrong?
Oh, I'm sorry for sighing. Sorry, it won't happen again.
It's not just that. You are always moody. The last time I was here, I talked and talked for minutes unearned. Only to realize I had been talking to myself. What is wrong?
But I apologized to you the other day. And now I just apologize to you for sighing.
I don't want you to apologize. I want you to talk to me. What is wrong?
It's nothing. I don't know, I'm just worried about something.
Is it Kenny?
No, it's not Kenny. We broke up.
What? Oh, I am sorry. Why didn't you tell me?
It's nothing.
Now I understand why you've not been yourself. I'm so sorry.
It's not even about Kenny and I. I love someone and I don't know what to do about that.
Who is it?
Akinola, the MD of the company that I worked with a few months ago.
So, does he not feel the same way you do?
He does. I mean, he does. But I just wish he didn't.
Tosin, what are you not telling me?
He's married.
Married? Tosin, since when did he start going for married men?
It's not like that. Sharon, it's not like that. He loves me.
Loves you? How can he love you when he's married? Is his wife a furniture? How gullible can you be to think a married man truly loves you?
Calm down.
No! Don't tell me to calm down. Tell yourself to reason well. As a matter of fact, I have to be on my way.
Sharon.
I'll talk to you later. Maybe by then you might have reasoned well.
Why are you taking this thing personal? What is it? Sharon! Ha! Wow.
What? Tosin, you've got to be kidding me. Goodness.
What are you doing?
Nice. Nice. That's a very good question. Right, nice. What am I doing here? So this is it. When you said, it's not about you, it's about me. This was what you meant, isn't it?
Kenny.
What?
There's certain things you just don't understand. What are you doing here?
What am I? Okay. I actually came to get my... I forgot my Wi-Fi, so I came to pick it up.
Fine, I'll get it for you.
Please do. Wait a minute. Are you a married man? Are you sleeping with a married man? Tosi, you are sleeping with a married man.
No. I have not slept with him yet.
Yet? Can you hear yourself? Yet? Wow, Daddy, you know what? You are such a genius. See, let me tell you something. I am very, very interested. When you are done sleeping with him, let me know everything about it. Let me know about his size. Let me know the different positions. Let me know how long you guys had, the intimacy. Tell me everything about it. Please do not. See, let me tell you something. Even if it's doggy style, please tell me. I want to know everything in details. Since you want to tell me everything, yes. Please, can I have my Wi-Fi, please? Take care of yourself. And goodbye.
You haven't slept with me yet. Does that mean you'll be sleeping with me very soon? Come here.
Baby, what do you mean you're traveling? Did anything happen?
No, babe, but I have to be in Abuja today.
Babe, you know I have to be at the hospital tomorrow. I know how important this is to me.
I know, sweetie, I know, but this trip is unavoidable.
Babe, why are you pulling away from me?
No, I'm not.
You are.
Hey, sweetheart, I am not pulling away, okay? I just need you to do this just this once. I need you to go to the hospital by yourself, please.
It's fine. So are you going to stay long?
No, I don't expect to have a long day at the office today. I should be back home on time, okay?
Are you sure?
Hey, come on. I love my baby.
Have a beautiful day.
Yeah, baby.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Babe, did I do something wrong?
What are you doing? Ah! What are you doing?
Tell me what's wrong. Did I do something?
Akin, please, you need to leave.
What?
You need to leave. I don't think I have thought clearly since I ever met you.
Hey, please just calm down, okay? Look at me. I love you. I really can't explain it, but I swear to you, I really love you.
What do you want from me?
Everything. Tosi, I want the whole of you.
You want the whole of me. And another woman has the half of you.
Please don't bring that up, please.
I mean, I don't see how this is ever going to end with a happy ever after, no matter how much I try.
Tosi, happy ever after is a myth. No one really knows what tomorrow brings.
You have to go.
Okay, listen, I totally understand how you feel. But there is no guarantee for tomorrow. All I have is now. And I'm willing to give you all my nows for as long as I can. Tosi. Hey. love you. I really do. Yeah, it looks really funny. Oh, thank you.
Hey! That was so fast. And when you said you were coming, I thought it was going to take you an hour to get here.
Oh, I just needed to take the dishes. Told you my mom is in town. She's been asking for them.
Okay. Fine. Let me get them for you.
Oh, don't worry. You seem to be quite busy. I'll just get them.
No. It's fine.
Hi. You must be Sharon. I've heard so much about you.
What do you think you're doing?
Sorry, I don't quite understand your question.
I'm sorry? I don't quite understand what you're doing with Tosin. You are married. What do you want from my friend?
I love her. I mean, I love Tosin.
And your wife? What about her?
It's not always black and white.
Hmm. Someone is going to get hurt. It might not be today or tomorrow or even a year from today, but someone is going to get hurt.
Here. Thank you so much for the dishes.
Thank you. Take care of yourself.
Okay. Good night.
French is... It's quite funny, huh? Hey, babe. How you doing? You good?
So, baby, guess what?
How much?
What?
Because whenever you ask me to guess something, it means you've bought something expensive. So how much did it cost?
No, baby. It costs nothing, trust me. But it's going to cost you later.
Oh, crap.
It's no crap, baby. It's no crap.
What is it?
Ta-da!
Is this a joke?
It's no joke, baby.
You're pregnant? Woo! You're pregnant!
Pregnant, baby.
Oh my god.
I told you that it's not gonna cost you now, but it's gonna cost you more later.
Thank you, God. She's pregnant.
Yes, baby, yeah.
Thank you, baby. Oh, this calls for celebration, babe. And you get a wine from the bar.
Someone is going to get hurt. It might not be today or tomorrow or even a year from today. It might not be today or tomorrow or even a year from today. It might not be today or tomorrow or even a year from today. But someone is going to get hurt.
So, What is it?
We are debating on the agreement that was sent over to us.
Oh, yeah. You know what? Why don't we postpone this meeting? I need to make an important call.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, Auntie.
Tosin, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
The HR sent your request for sick leave. Is something wrong?
Yes, I'm fine. Well, I just want some time off to go sort out some things.
Tosin, you were one of my best staff. This new demeanor of yours is unusual and worrisome.
I'll be fine, ma.
All right. I've approved your request. And I gave you an indefinite leave. At least so you can have all the time you need to take care of whatever it is.
Thank you so much, ma. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
You're welcome. I'll be on my way now. I'm heading out. All right. Take care of yourself.
Pick up your phone, damn it.
Babe,
Hi.
is everything alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You were lost in thought, actually. Anyways, Lily had finally slept after all the whole wahala. So I just came down to spend some quality time with my husband.
I'm not in the mood right now, please.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Did you hear what I said? I said Lily had just slept and I came here to spend some time with
Hey, stop it. I'm fine.
Babe, what's all this restriction for? What is wrong with you? Is everything alright? I mean, I came downstairs to spend some time with my husband and you're giving me attitude. What for? Fine. You can have all the time for yourself. Alright? Since you don't want to talk to me, have all the time for yourself. Don't blame me. Blame yourself for coming downstairs.
Where are you going?
I don't care. Please stay.
Guy, brace yourself.
I believe I can hold my liquor.
I know, but you're kind of drinking heavily today.
I'm fine, okay?
Alright, talk to me. What's eating you up so bad?
I can't reach Tosi.
What?
It's been 3 weeks and I've not heard from her. Today's our anniversary, but she's not picking my calls. She won't even allow me to come over and see her. Honestly, I don't know what to do.
Guy, why are you letting this girl get to you like this? I thought by now you guys would be doing whatever you think you were doing. I mean, it's been 2 years for crying out loud.
I love her. Okay, it's really hard for me to explain this, but I truly love her.
Okay, you cannot be in love with 2 women at the same time.
Oh, please, that's not the point right now.
Alright. Did you guys have a fight?
No, we didn't. She told me that she needed some time to think things over. I don't even know what that means. Oh, wait. Did someone get to her? Did someone convince her to leave me? Is that it?
Maybe. I mean, you're a married man with a baby. Maybe she's had to change her heart about dating you or something.
You know what? Screw this.
Where are you going?
Hey, relax, relax.
Okay, you almost scared me.
I'm sorry. What's wrong? Are you alright?
By the way, what are you doing here? How did you even get in here?
You gave me a spare key, remember?
Yeah, damn it.
Baby, is there something wrong? You know you can talk to me.
I'm fine. Please leave me alone.
Oh, hi.
Who are you and how may I help you?
You can't help me. Rather, I'm here to help you.
Babe? Who's calling?
It's
It's not important.
It's not important and you're busy on the call. Pick your call now.
Oh, it's a spam call, yeah. In fact, let me just switch this off.
Okay. Why would you off your phone because of a spam call?
It's not important.
Apple so high, like a diamond in the sky. Like a diamond in the mud. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Say, high five, moment. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Babe. Babe. Private one. Hello? 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 Welcome. Come in. Are you hot? Are you hot?
Hey, babe. I'm ready for work. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. I'm fine. Please don't forget to come take us to the hospital.
Of course, I won't forget. But what's with the attitude?
Nothing. I said I'm fine. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Hello? Good morning.
Why have you been rejecting my calls?
Tosi, I have nothing else to tell you. If you want to talk to me, you fix things like you should.
What is that supposed to mean?
Exactly what you think it means.
Are you okay?
I should be asking you that. Are you okay?
Give us a minute.
Okay, sir.
What gave you the right to barge into my office?
You gave me that right. Again, what is happening? I thought you loved me.
I did. And believe me, I still do.
Then where is the love? I mean, show me because I can't seem to see it.
It's here. The reason why you can't see it is because you don't want to see anything else except what you want.
What I want. You thought I did it on purpose? You thought that was intentional? Again, it was a mistake.
Yes.
A one-time mistake.
Yes, it was. Now, what you do after you make a mistake, that is what matters.
King. Again, it's Tosin. It's the girl you love.
Yes, I know it's you.
Again, please, I just want you to show me your love again. I want to feel your love again. Please. 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 Please.
Well, if that's what you want, you know exactly what to do.
Are you willing to throw what we have off the floor? Are you willing to let this go?
Fix your mistake, or I promise you, you would never feel my love again.
I hope you know what you're doing. I hope you know that what you're doing has consequences, right?
Tosin.
Sorry.
Wait. Are you okay?
Ask your friend. Ask your friend why he wants me to die.
Wait, I don't... Tosin!
Come in. What's up? I'm good. What's up?
I just ran into Tosin outside. Is everything alright?
Everything is fine.
Well, that's not the impression she gave me.
Just leave her alone.
She said something about wanting her to die. Look,
I said leave her. When she's done being dramatic, she'll do what she's supposed to do.
Dude, at least tell me what is going on.
Frederick, I don't think I have the patience for this today. Stop asking questions that are none of your business. You came here to get my measurements, right? Then take the damn measurements that concerns you and design my outfit like you're supposed to do.
Alright. I back off.
Thank you. Get up.
What? Get up. Let me take the measurement that concerns me. They don't.
Oh my God, I can't believe this. I'm coming right away. I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming, okay? I'll just be there, yeah.
Is everything okay?
Yes, I forgot my drugs, so I need to go back and pick it. What lady's drug? So when you get there, just pull over, I can. So I told him.
No. It's okay. I'll take you back.
Maybe there will not be any need for that. Just take Lily home. She's restless. When she get here, just make her sleep. When you get there, calm down. I need to go and pick the drugs myself.
Baby, are you sure?
I'm fine.
Okay, please! I can't do without you. I can't even function without you. I mean, you said you couldn't let me go. So what's going on?
Did you hear what I told you outside? I believe I made myself abundantly clear. I'm just going to pick up my phone and I don't want you following me. This is an office premises, for goodness sake.
Please! I can't function without you. Please, I need you.
You need to irritate me. You better leave before I do something you regret. Hey, babe, you're back?
Yes, I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. So where's Lily? She's sleeping now.
What?
Lily.
Auntie, where is my child? Where is my child?
I don't know, I left her inside the car.
You left my baby. You left my baby in the car.
I left her in the car, but I can't find her. Oh, this makes no sense.
Auntie Oluwa, where is my child? Where are you looking for in the car? Where is my child? Where is my baby? Auntie Oluwa, where is my child? Don't want me there. This is family, Where is my baby? Oh my God. You have killed me. Auntie, where is it? Auntie, you've killed my baby.
Wait, can't be now. I left her here.
Get off, stop. Where is my child? Where is my baby? Don't want me there.
How could you lose my child? How?
She was right there.
Then where is she? Where is she, Aki? Where is she? Where is my baby?
Calm down, please. It hasn't come to this. Please. Mr. Aki, please, I need you to think back. Where do you remember seeing her?
I think when my wife left.
And then what?
Well, I came right home. But before coming home, I stopped by at the office to pick up my phone because I forgot it there. And then I came straight home.
And then you didn't see her?
I walked into the house. I really don't remember.
You can't remember. You cannot remember where my child is, Aki. 1 hour. 1 hour was gone and you lost my baby. You know, I went through pain, through tears to get that child, Aki.
Bisola, it was not intentional.
I don't care. I don't care how you want to do it. Look for my child. Look for my child.
Mr. Akin, is there anyone you and your wife know that would want to take your child?
No.
What about enemies? Anyone with a vendetta, against you and your wife?
Tosin! Open this door! Tosin! 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 Tosin, open this door! Tosin! 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 Open this door! Tosin! 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 Tosin!
Look, madam, this is a missing persons case. And it's been 2 days. No ransom call, no note received. And your daughter's whereabouts is yet unknown. We're trying our best. But I need a strong lead. Seeing the circumstances in which your daughter went missing, I'm tempted to ask if you have any idea, a clue to help us solve this mystery.
I don't know. Detective, I don't know at this point. I do not know. My God, why did I leave her in the car? Why didn't I carry my baby? Why did I leave her in the car? Why?
Why did you leave her?
She was sick all through the night. She couldn't sleep. She had a restless night. That's the reason I and my husband took her to the hospital. So after the injection, I asked my husband to bring her home so she could sleep. I was so mad at him. So mad.
Mad at who?
Aki, I've been angry with him over some irrelevant thing. I don't even know. I didn't know it would get to this. I didn't know.
It's okay. It's okay, madam.
Wait. I wasn't angry with him over something stupid.
Then why were you angry with him?
Just tell them. It's been 2 days. If you're really suspecting that Tosin had something to do with Lily's disappearance, just tell the police.
For goodness sake, I said I can't. If I tell them, I lose everything. Bisola gets to find out that I've been cheating on her and she's going to take everything away from me. There's no way I will let that girl destroy me. No way.
So what are you going to do? Huh? Your wife went through a lot to have that child. Are you going to let them take Lily away from her?
No, she's not going to lose Lily. Not on my watch. Not while I'm still alive. Tosin is going to show up sooner or later. She can't just disappear like that. She can't. Detective.
Hello, Mr. Akin.
Good day. I didn't know you were around. Any news about my daughter?
None yet. But I have a few questions for you, if you don't mind.
Sure.
How was your day?
Fine.
Is there anyone involved in your life you think should be having issues with you?
Not that I can think of. Why?
I was talking to your wife and she recalled you receiving some calls, and you never picked it because she was there.
Well, Detective, that's a misunderstanding. It was spam calls. You know, the calls you receive from your network provider, that's all.
Spam calls. What about the calls she said she received from a private number to your phone? And she picked up, and whoever it was that called never said a word. Could that also be a spam call?
Well, Detective, I don't know anything about that, so I won't be able to answer that question.
Okay. She talked about a young man who came to your house. with information regarding you for her. Do you have anything to say?
A man was in my house? When?
The when is not relevant to you, Mr. Akin. What I want to know is what that man was talking about.
How should I know? I don't even know who that man is. Listen, detective, I think it's best that we concentrate on finding my daughter.
I'm concentrating quite all right. Finding your daughter that was left in your care for an hour and she disappeared without your knowledge. So you claim.
So I claim. Do you think that I would allow my own daughter be taken? Do you think I would do that? Obviously, you've not been listening to me, detective.
There's no need to get all worked up, Mr. Akin. It's okay. I think I'll take my leave now.
All right. And please find my daughter. What did you tell the police? Huh?
Enough information about your secret calls. Or do you think I'm stupid to believe the lies you gave?
But I wasn't lying.
Really? Akin, I chose to be a housewife. Don't forget I have a master's degree. For crying out loud, who picks a spam call by 11:30 p.m.? A call that doesn't just come once but came repeatedly. Who does that?
I do not know what else you expect me to tell you. By the way, what man did you tell him came here?
How am I supposed to know? That a man walked into my house to tell me he has enough information about my husband. And before I could know what happened, he received a call from God knows who called him and he left. So is that enough for me to be suspicious?
You didn't even bother to find out if I know who this man is?
How am I supposed to know? Who knows if you're the one that called him? Eh? Who knows if you have a deal with that man, Akin? At this point, I do not know. All I know is that I left my child with you and you lost my child. So look for my child, Akin. Look for her. Look for my child. Rubbish.
Where's my daughter? I said, where's my daughter? Answer me, where is my daughter? For the last time, where's my daughter? Do you think you can ruin me?
I'm gonna stop.
Do you think you
You're
can?
hurting me.
Eh? Do you think you can ruin me? Is that your plan? Ow.
What was that?
I don't know.
What child is he talking about?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness, Tosin, what is happening? You came to me crying but wouldn't say what the problem is. And now Akin is attacking you on the road. On the road, Tosin! What is happening? Tosin, this is not the time to be silent. What is happening?
Ifemi, my love, talk to me. What is it?
I don't know how to tell you.
Why? What is so difficult for you to say?
I'm pregnant. Okay. I'm pregnant.
That's not a problem at all.
It's not?
Of course, it's nothing. Okay? Is that why you've been like this?
Yes. I mean, I was scared to upset you. I was scared to walk through this alone.
Upset me? Baby, not in the slightest. And you're never going to walk through anything alone. I'm here. And I'll always be here, no matter what. Okay? Okay. That's my girl. Come here.
I didn't see that coming.
Sweetheart, it's getting late. I should go home.
Okay. But I'm glad you came over.
Me too. Don't disappear on me again, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'll come over tomorrow and pick you up so we can get that thing taken care of.
What thing?
The thing. The pregnancy. We'll get it out tomorrow. Are you okay?
Why would you want to take my child out?
You can't have the child. I thought we were on the same page with this.
No. No.
Tosi, you're not going to give birth to that child. You're getting rid of it.
Why?
Because I am married. Look. I don't have time for this right now. You sleep over it. Hopefully by tomorrow, you'd have arrived at the same decision I took. Didn't you hear me knocking?
That's why I opened the door.
Well, I believe you've had all night to think things thoroughly.
Yes. Have you thought things thoroughly?
There's nothing for me to think. The decision I made is good.
It's good for who?
Good for us. Can't you see it?
No. Good for you.
You know what, Tosin? I didn't come here to argue with you. Get ready, let's leave.
I'm not going anywhere.
Believe me, by the time this thing is done, you'll feel better. I promise.
I am not going to risk my own life to kill my own child.
For goodness sake, it's not yet even a child. At best, it's the size of a peanut.
Well, this peanut is not leaving my stomach.
Listen, and listen good. Because I'm only going to say this once. If you insist on keeping this child, what we have is done. You hear me? Done!
I can't believe this. Remember that night you came to pick up your mom's dishes? Yes, I do. Yeah. You know, you said that someone would eventually get hurt in this relationship. You were right. I mean, I was ashamed to admit the fact that you were right. So Sam, come here. You are the one who is hot here. Believe me when I say, it does me no good to be right. You lied to me. All this while. Why? People lie, my love. People lie to get what they want. The question you should be asking yourself now is, why did I believe his lies? No one lied to you without your permission. And for you to believe a lie like Akin loves you, you have to first of all tell yourself a lie. What does that mean? There are lies we tell ourselves to help us believe other people's lies. And for you, the lie you told yourself was, he truly loves me. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be okay, okay? You'll be fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Look, you need to calm down so you can figure out what to do. Calm. I'm calm. Yeah, come in, come in.
Sir, Miss Tosin is here to see you.
Let her in.
Okay, sir.
What is she doing here after what happened? I don't know. Maybe to tell me where my child is. Come in! Tosin, where's my child?
Stop asking me that. I'm not with your child.
You're lying! You need to calm down. Hey, you need to calm down. If you don't bring back my child, so help me God, Tosin, I would kill you!
Kill me if you want to kill me. But that's not going to help you get your child. And what makes you think I'm with her in the first place?
Same day we both had a quarrel outside this office, my child disappeared. Same day you were nowhere to be found.
So what?
Do you think I'm stupid? Do I look stupid to you?
Oh yes, you're stupid. You obviously look stupid. I mean, I was with Sharon after you humiliated me and threw me on the floor. Besides, how could I have taken a child I never knew existed?
What do you mean?
Ask your friend. He never told me his wife was pregnant. More of having a child.
Wait, she doesn't know? You didn't tell her? I didn't tell her doesn't mean she doesn't know.
Well, I didn't. Well, I've just come here to warn you to stay away from me. And if you do not stay away from me, my friend is going to go to the station. And you, Akim, will be held responsible. So, if you know what is good for you, stay away from me.
You came to warn me. Let me have a word with this guy. Let me come back here. You're not going anywhere. I should stay away. You came to warn me. You better get my child back here. Let go of me, bro. What the? Wait. if she doesn't have Lily, who does? Hey, hey! Who are you? Who are you? What are you doing in my house? I'm asking you, what are you doing in my house?
Lily!
Becky, please. My daughter is here. Don't do this. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Whatever the problem is, Becky, we can sort it out. You and I, please.
Sit down. Both of you.
My daughter.
Sit down! You don't know me, but I used to date your husband. Don't feel bad. I didn't know he was married. He was sweet. He was loving. He was compassionate. And everything was perfect. Till it all came tumbling down. I was seated at home one day and I was so happy. I was ecstatic. And he came over. And with so much joy in my heart, I told him that I was pregnant. And with the most cold expression I had ever seen, he said, "Take it out." Like he was talking about garbage. Take it out. I couldn't understand why. I mean, I was in a committed relationship with this man. So why was he telling me to take out my bundle of joy? That was when he said that he is married. And if I wanted the relationship to continue, I had to take it out. I loved this man with every drop of blood in me. So even though it was not an easy choice, I allowed him to take me, to take it out. But when the abortion was done, so was the relationship, because he still left me. He left me alone. I was alone, nursing the wounds of DNC and nursing the pain of a broken heart. And I kept telling myself, one day it will all be over. One day I would meet a nice and loving man. I would fall in love. He would love me truly. I would get married and have wonderful children. And I would not remember the man who hurts me. I met a loving man. I met the best man in the world. And I got married. And I got pregnant. And 7 months in, I wake up one day and the baby is not moving. And that was it. That That was how they gave me my baby. Cold and lifeless. She had died inside of me. Complications from the D&C. Turns out my womb can no longer carry a child to full term. So they gave me my baby. So beautiful. With hair so silky and black and full. And a lips so small and so boys that have skin so cold. And my husband left because what man wants to be with a woman who can give him a child because of an abortion from her past? Huh?
Honestly, I don't know what to say, but I know I messed up. I messed up big time. I did. It's because I did not want to lose my marriage. I didn't want to. Becky, please. I am sorry for hurting you this way. Believe me, I'm so sorry.
I believe you, but that doesn't change the fact of what you did. You hurt people and you don't see it because you don't care. You act so selfishly.
Becky, I beg you. My baby is not part of this. That child is innocent. Please let her go.
I'm the guilty one. She's
Let her
innocent,
go,
please.
please. I beg you.
For a long time, I didn't know what to do to you. I didn't know if I should kill you or if I should destroy you. And then someone said, let it go. And I tried, I swear I tried. I even got pregnant again. 5 months. 5 months and the baby was gone. And then one day, I see you with your beautiful wife and your beautiful daughter. You were living the life you stole from me. So I decided to steal a little bit back. I just wanted to raise Lily as my own. But the hatred I feel for you, I look at her and I feel it. So today I've come to collect the debt you owe me.
No.
Go ahead. Shoot me. Shoot me instead. Please.
Shooting you doesn't solve anything.
I know it doesn't, I know. But we can make it enough. I can be enough. Let me pay for my sins. Just shoot me, please. Shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot me, please.
Becky, have mercy on this woman. I went through a lot to conceive that child. So many tests, so many fertility tests before I could conceive her. You can't hurt my baby, please.
So sorry, Bisola. I swear I'm sorry. But how can you stop here?
No!
Becky, I'm lying down. Please, Becky, leave my child. Please, Becky, I beg you, please, look at me.
My child.
Come on, leave my child. Come on. I'm lying down, prostrated patient. My love. My love, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I know I hurt you, and I am so sorry for it. All I'm asking is that you find a place in your heart to forgive me, please.
Forgive you. Forgive you, Aki. You've been having sex with numerous girls. Here I am living my best life. Come on, you could have strode in here with STD to affect me with it.
No. It would never have happened.
Really? What proof do you have to ensure that? To crown it all, you've been having sex with numerous girls, misleading only God knows how many girls. Why don't men really realize the danger they put their lives and the life of their loved ones when they cheat? You don't realize the repercussions that you put your life into.
I understand. I totally understand. That's why I'm asking you to please forgive me.
You think you owe me apology, Aki, because you broke our marital vows. What about the ladies you deceived? That's right.
You know what? I promise you I would apologize to all of them. I would apologize.
What about the lady that died?
I promise I would find a way and fix everything. But first, I want to fix us.
Fix us? Did I hear you say fix us? No, you need to fix yourself. Because at this moment, there is no us anymore.
So what are you trying to say?
I am saying that this marriage is over. Because I'm taking back my company, my money, and everything my parent put in this company. So as soon as my mother returns, I am living with her. Try to fix yourself, because I'm selling this house too.
Honey, please, honey, no, honey, please don't do this. Baby. Tosin, I've had enough time to think about myself. My choices, my actions. I'm sorry about everything. I truly am. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. And I promise you, I'll be there for you and our child all the way. No. Tosi, I'm trying to...
Don't get me wrong. Okay? I mean, I'm just trying to forgive myself for my role in all this. I'm not definitely going to take a child away from its father. Definitely not. But I just want to use the remaining months of my pregnancy to take good care of myself and focus on things. I don't want to see your face. I really, really don't want to see your face. So please, just go back to your wife and your life.
There is no wife to go back to anymore.
Oh, wow. That's why you're here. That's why you're here.
Tosi, pregnancy is not always going to be easy.
Maybe not. But I have my friend and my family. So I'm definitely going to ride on this journey with them. So you just...
You need me.
I don't need you. Akin, I don't need you. I need a real man. A true man. And that man is not you.
Whenever you need me, just call.
I'll never call. Please go. Good night. And goodbye again.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How may I help you?
Bisola sent me to come and get the car.
My car?
Yes. She said I shouldn't leave this out without the car.
Just tell her to give me some time. I still need the car.
Sorry, sir. She said if you try to do anything stupid, I should call the police.
Alright, just calm down. There's no need for that. I'll get the keys.
Okay. Thank you. Oh. She said you have only 2 days to leave this house.
What?
Goodbye.
Detective.
Mr. Kinyola.
I wasn't expecting to see you. I hope everything is okay.
Of course not. Unfortunately for you, I'm here with the warrant for your arrest.
Arrest?
Yes. For the death of Miss Becky Ido.
Come on, detective. It was self-defense.
Please.
I didn't have a choice.
Save this explanation. The judges will determine that.
Please, detective.
Officer Deborah, coffin.
Detective, please.